But after all I've said, please don't forget.
Perfect landing. Hey, what in the name of the multiverse is going on? Let go of me.
Don't worry, I'll explain everything later. Got any senzu beans, Piccolo?
No luck, Goku. I'm out.
Hey, Vegeta. Do you know the fusion technique?
Fusion technique? Yeah, now that you mentioned it, I've heard Trunks talk about that before. Oh, when you do an absurd dance and join together?
Uh-huh. You know, fusion, ha, okay?
Nonsense! As if I'd ever merge myself with a fool!
Come on, it's only for 30 minutes. Plus, we joined together before with the Potara earrings, but we don't have any of those now. So fusion's the only chance we have to beat this guy.
There has to be some other way! At least tell me there's a method that doesn't require these stupid dance moves!
It's the only way to win, so you have to swallow your pride or the Earth will be done for.
Then I guess the Earth is done for.
You're saying you're okay with letting Bulla and your darling Bulma die?
Don't you dare try and guilt me into this, damn it! All right, fine. Hurry up and teach it to me. Fusion! Ha! It's about time. Now get out there and defeat him. Oh, what should we call you?
Huh? Using the Pataras, it was Vegeta, wasn't it? Okay then, how about,
No, forget it. Hurry and go.
Now hold on a sec. Having a name would definitely make us sound much cooler. This time it'll be Gokuja, Vekujo, how about Gogeta?